Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to earn in dollars by simply using apps. First of all, head over to your Apple Store or Play Store, then search for Zebedee wallet. So before we continue, if you're new to my channel, do well to leave a like and subscription in this video. After downloading the app, you will see something like playtime, like this button over here. Just look like see games, click on it. So the website has loaded. As you can see, the app is here, refresh every day. So all you have to do is select the apps you want. Then as you're using the app for a specified number of time, you earn the rewards. Just download the app and use it. Then you earn your rewards within the specified tax given to you. So let's see how it works. You pick a game, then you earn satoshis while playing the game. Then keep at it, continue playing the game till you get all your prize. So let's see how the first one works. In the first one, you're going to reach level 5 to get 551 satoshi. So once you've completed the task, you will receive your reward in less than an hour, unless specified otherwise in the offer day. So anytime you complete a specified task given to you, you get your rewards via the app on the zebedee wallet. You get your rewards there. You earn in Bitcoin. You get your reward via the zebedee app in less than 1 hour. As you can see, I've withdrawn from this app. As you can see over here, as you can see, I've been playing and getting money by playing here.